Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fun Fold Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Label Me Grateful stamp set. I have a piece of basic white thick card base here, or card stock. It is sized 11 by 5¼ inches. I'm going to score at 1 3/4, 3½, 7½, and 9¼ It has been a while since I've done a fun fold, you guys. I had this video sitting in my computer, but I just hadn't had the time to render it or get it all edited for you. So here we are today. It's getting late, and I am starting with the Lake House event here shortly. So I'm super excited about that. You're going to see a lot of new projects. All right, so you can see what I'm doing. Basically, we have it's almost like a gate Z-fold card. I'm calling it the left and right Z-fold card because there is a left and a right. All right, so we're putting adhesive on the back part of that card. And basically, it's because it's going to go on a piece of front and back cardstock. So 2 pieces of cardstock you need to cut at 4¼ by 5½. Now I mentioned all these measurements and all that, but you know, there's a link in the description box below and it will take you to my blog where I have all the information. It will, you can download it from there, okay? And there's pictures and stuff too. So this is the inside right cardstock. I am using cloud cover here. It is sized 1 3/4 by 5½. And then there's a designer series paper that is 1 5/8 by 5 3/8. And we're going to stick that whole panel on the right side of the card. So you kind of have to squash the card down. And I'm doing it the harder way. Like, honestly, I can't see. I'm doing a lot of stuff above, like, so that you can see, but I couldn't see. Anyway, I managed to get it together. So here is another piece of pattern paper, and this is for the front. It's 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. I'm going to put that on the card stock, the same size as the back, 4 1/4 by 5½. So it's a regular size card. It just opens a little differently, and there's just a little bit of extra cardstock on that right hand side. So I feel like because this is a heavier piece of paper, I want to put a lot of adhesive down on my basic white thick card base where it adheres to. And then basically, well, I'm trying to see so that you can see and I can see to put it together. But yeah, we just sort of squash it up together. And Bob's your uncle, as they always say. And I heard that there was a saying called Fanny's your aunt as well. How about that? All right, so this is how the card goes together. And I burnished it really well at the end of this video so that it sits a little bit lower. Here I am with that grateful or Label Me Grateful stamp set. I'm using the words thank you. And that's just basic white cardstock. You're going to have a different sentiment, so you do you. And by the way, that beautiful pattern paper is called Beautiful Gallery. It has a lot of unique papers, so I would definitely point you in that direction if you want something unique. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section on YouTube or in the supplies section of my blog post. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where I would love to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up and all the YouTubey things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.